But guys, I don't think I can sleep with this on. I can't. No, I can't. Supposed like to massage your butt. Yeah, weird, right?
I'm on my life.
Right here, it's supposed to be here, and then these two parts on your butt. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the weird things I bought on AliExpress. Guys, who goes online and buys these things? I did. So guys, I bought this anti-snoring and air purifier. Like, it is claimed that it purifies the air and just makes breathing easier. Like, you're supposed to plug these two buds in your nostrils. So like when you plug it in your nostrils, it makes breathing easier. Let me just try it on. And guys, I actually washed it, and so this thing is like, if you snore or if you have someone who snores, they claim that if they put this on, they won't snore. I hope it's true, because let me just see. I don't know if it helps, but I don't think I can sleep with this on. Like, this is just too much. But I think guys, it kinda purifies the air. Not purifies the air, but it actually makes breathing easier, because it like opens your nostrils, like, you know, like, but it's so weird. I guess I can't sleep in this. Guys, sometimes I snore. I do. Yeah, I'm among the few people who snore. But it's so weird, like I can't sleep in this. Okay, like it's uncomfortable, like here on the nose area, but when breathing, it's not bad. Yeah, but guys, I don't think I can sleep with this on. I can't. No, I can't. Would you rather sleep with someone who has this on, or someone who is snoring? Which one? This or snoring? Okay, the second thing I bought is this thing here. Yeah, it's like you use it to prank someone. Like you've nailed your finger or something. Let me put it here on this little finger. I think this one day I'll prank my mom. I'll prank my mom with this, or my grandma. It looks so real, alright? It's like a nail, and then blood, and then a bandage. Like it comes in different sizes. Like this one is medium. Yeah, this one is medium. So I think I'll prank my mom with these. This is so weird. Like, who goes online and buys such a thing? It looks on the inside, it's like there. There's a thing here, like a circle. Like that. These socks, they look like sneakers, and I just love them. Yeah, because they look like sneakers. I also bought these. So guys, what I did, this hip trainer pad, and it's supposed to like to massage your butt. Yeah, weird, right? It's supposed to massage your butt, but one thing, it didn't come with a remote controller, because I'm supposed to control this thing using that remote controller. The way it massages your butt, the way it vibrates. Yeah, but it didn't come with the remote controller. So I asked the seller to either send me the remote control or to refund me the money. And actually, I'm still waiting for her response. Yeah, and I'm hoping she will send me the remote control instead, because I really want to see how this thing works. Yes, so according to, like, this is how it works. This part over here is supposed to be here, and then these two parts on your butt. So it's supposed to be like that, and then now it massages your butt. Yeah, but I was so disappointed when it didn't come with the remote controller, because I really wanted to see how it works. But I was so disappointed, because like I'm supposed to attach the remote controller this it acts like I'm supposed to attach it there, then it massages your butt. Weird. Yeah. So that was it. And then guys, it kinda has, let me just open it. It is sticky over here. That's how it's going to attach on your butt. To be attached on your butt. And then here it's also sticky. And here it's also sticky. And sticky. And you are attached on your butt. So just return it here until I get the remote control, or until I get my money back. These things, they're supposed to lift, you know, like to make your nose look narrow. Yes, like that, like, you know, like narrow. So it actually comes different sizes. There's a small, medium, and large. So I don't know the size of my nose. Maybe it's large. I don't know. Maybe I should try with large. This is the large. So let me try this large and just see if it really works, because it's supposed like to make my nose look narrow job without a nose job. One, and you're supposed to like put it in your nose like this, in your nose like that, and also this side like that, and then it's supposed to push your nose like that and make it look narrow. So let me just see. I think this one is bigger. I think I'll use a smaller one. That one is bigger. This is the small one. Let me try using this small one. So that thing, and then I put it over there. Like that. Actually, I think this thing is making my nose look bigger. It's making my nose look bigger. And so guys, they're all in there. They're all in there. But instead of making my nose look like this, like narrow, they're making them look like. So guys, I went online, I bought this product. And guys, oh my god, my nose looks bigger. Oh my god, let me just take them off my nose, because I think they're making my nose look bigger. Oh my god. Someone call 911. Oh my god, oh my god, guys.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm waking up.
Oh my god.
I'm done.
Someone call 911.
Your lies, I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. No. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me, 'cause I'd start.
Guys, don't try this at home. Oh my god, that is so weird and so awkward. And another thing about is this bandage, like it is supposed to be like that. I think this is the face. Yeah, this is the face. This side is the face. So I'll just wear it, and yeah, because it's actually meant to control like the double chin. You know, when you have this, you know, it actually controls it and makes your face look round. I'm hoping this, but this is not weird. If it helps your face look prettier, then this is not weird. Like that, and then this is supposed to be the ears. It's actually awkward, but it's not awkward. Actually, guys, I think I love this. This one is not even weird. It's not even awkward. I actually love it. I love the way I feel around here because it like kind of lifts your face. It lifts your face, but now when you wear it, you look weird. If you want me to buy some other weird stuff, just comment below which products I can buy, which weird products I can buy, or if you've bought weird products before, kindly comment below. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.